Sisters, catechists, seminarians, all the leaders from the different sectors, brothers and sisters, Kamnaban Maori. I will speak very briefly and express my gratitude to the Sacred Heart Parish for organizing this welcome and farewell ceremony tonight. We welcome Father Matayo as the Director of KPI and also the person responsible for the diocesan formation here in Kiribati. We also welcome our two parish sisters who begin their pastoral responsibilities in the parish, and we thank them for their generosity, and we look forward to their service in the parish and in the diocese as a whole. But tonight I just want to express the words of appreciation and acknowledgement to all our seminarians. I begin with acolyte Tabi. He was here for his pastoral last year, and he's returning to the seminary to continue his studies. He's coming to the final stages of his formation at PRS. So thank you, Tabi, for your perseverance, your dedication throughout the year. And amongst the seminarians, you were fortunate to be present in the diocese at a very critical time when transition was taking place. You have been very much part of it, and I hope that you have learned a lot, you've gained a lot from your pastoral experience, and as you go back, you will be able to integrate this into your academic studies, and at the end of the day, may you come out a good pastoral person. And my best wishes and prayers to you. And all our other seminarians, the MSCs and the diocesans who have been here for their holidays, I want to thank you. I hope you have enjoyed your holidays here in Kiribati, and also to our brothers in Christmas Island. One of them is not returning to the seminary because his father is suffering from the final stage of cancer. We remember him and his father in our prayers. But as you go back to the seminary, I hope that you take with you a renewed commitment to your studies and to your formation. You have been with me, and I had the opportunity to accompany you during this holiday. I hope that you have been energized. I hope that your motivation as to why you are at your seminary is clarified for you and for us as well, as we continue on the process of discernment, what God is asking of you and how you are to respond to God's call. So to all the seminarians who are returning to PRS, we wish you our very best, our prayers, our support. As I have said at different occasions, that you are the heart of the diocese, the church here in Kiribati and Nauru, just as the catechists are the heartbeat of the diocese, so are you. We look forward to your graduation from PRS and your ultimate ordination and ministry in the diocese. So we put a lot of hope and trust in you. We ask that you be sincere in your discernment, that you pray, that you reflect, and you discern God's call. So thank you once again, and I wish you a safe journey back to Fiji. The seminary, I know, is ready to welcome you back. I just want to say that through your generosity, the people of God in the diocese, we are able to give each of our seminarians, the Diocesan Seminarian, a laptop each, so that they can have a computer to work with. I have noticed in the past that usually the students from Kiribati are left on their own, and they normally don't have a laptop like some of the other students, so we decided that we should give them a laptop, a computer, so that their studies can be easier, that they can concentrate and do their work, their assignments. I met with them today and I reminded them that there are also conditions attached to this, that we expect a good performance from them, that we expect them to study hard, work hard, and to focus on the call that God has asked them to respond to. So once again, thank you very much. Thank you, Vicar General, for organizing this welcome and farewell tonight. May God bless all of us, and we hope that this evening's blessings is also ours, but we share it with others as well, our families and our loved ones, and also the diocese. So the Sacred Heart Parish is very blessed that you have the Bishop residing here, you have the Vicar General residing here, you have all the institutions, the KPI, the formation, the MSCs, the sisters. We are heavily concentrated here. So I hope the parishioners of Sacred Heart Parish feel blessed with all our presence here. We continue to support you in your faith. We continue to work with you, journey with you as you try to find Christ in your different experience. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Tabi matayo. Arasin na. Nakana ito araw na mamun. Yung ko tayo na natama. Ngaya tararuwa ating machine. Harakatirimen the system. Apo ngaya tayo the parish sa bikin ito. Ngaya tararuwa ating machine on givers. Tama tamita. Kata kami dari kuwayo karena kami tuh kina. Desay tahu kita mayo may man. Ya. Oh, ibu di Nako yara tayo manya kaya po narakariano. Kaya ngaya, estima to alipuputo kayo. Ay, rakatigis lagi ataw roy, kaya katilit. Kaya ano, nagtapon niya kayo na no, kaya yan ako manok. Ay, yan ako, paano? Kahit tayo para. Katigis sinikagan. Tani ko po, kayo po rin kami. Arke, siniginin na kayo bugiming. Apo ni ngaya, sang ano rapa sinabi ko na bugiming. Arapo to namat na ibeterin na ko bayri. Nabera ni bawo. Yai ko koron. Jama ka at Grisan. Jama ka at Katolik. Kapun pega uway kapun sita po aron. Pusi ko koroya. Baguri nanorigi anong otea Katolik. Nako ti Grisan. Si Konan Kirisan, mentertai sa ni Konan Katolik. Ay daw wayo to bayaran ka kawa putag ngaira kan Kirisan ni Katolik. Ante tayo gay. Ibugi na ba yay to mata. Pusi to bayaran da pay irang ni kapaka nanura. Ngaira ka tan kay din. Ang karespond ko to bayan to mata ba. Kaya po daw kina nanur. Ibugi na ko to pay to na ka ngaron bigan. Pa ami pay sino ano ka? Sige ko na nanaya. Ano sa pangani may room doon? Sa natin ano na may room sa mga rin ngayon na pauwi. Kasi tayo na nuwa, siya mo tayo. Ito ko na, si ko tagyay, si tayo rigay. Ibugin apa yai chongotaka. Yai nanora nikaturika. Asputa ki nairo nayo. Kaya na panara kaya kita semena mo irigimi ba po namita po ni Ben. Semena irigimi ba ami tan tao ki sim. Semena irigimi po romi nanon dukugrei o terawata. Dukugrei. Dita yai. Pe koro roi nanon di Paris yang oya. Os taki denna. Engan kita si raw po pungina. Engan kita irigimi ide mo yaron karawan nanona. May bugin apa yai tenanon nungotega. Ay tawo po nungotega kan. Katina to ay lang tayo na. Kaya na kami sindap. Kamra pa. Namigigiyan. Kamra pa. Nanumi. Kasukui tabi mi ni kapan. Pasta kita weekend na yun, TMC. Sa puno pa kayo nugan to week. Ikaroon tayo nga po. Tiriri. Tumamuri. Abay karani. Basta ko tayo tayo yun. Yan takanta ni nga rin. Anang mana nga. Harating naman. Anang mana nga. Mikay na pa yari. Oh itu patirili yan. Kasi kantarin ang kailang kanya. Pamilya na yarili. Akatabuag. O mga rigi paroray na nung damiyok. Ngayon panara. Mga katigero tamanang. Nakoy niya ratay naman. Tawag kiripes. Mayana. Kapurayatan siyong oteka. Ito merunong. Oh. Dawaginan. Ito ta. Então vai us pa kami may rora. Lagi naman sa resto ng kami tebi ko po. Na po ngayon ay kasi nakatakay kayo ni kami. Espera na no roaming. Natira ang na ba kamdora na no ya mikirisan na katakatakan da yayo. Abe niya kinakaroon to po ngayon bugin na pahanan no na pay roaming. Mana kami takanta ni ngano at tinamaginan. Mas sinakain kayo po kintukin datay. Beto kukuray. Kintukin amiwangi. Sinanurin kami. Nagatuka ko ni Amin. At doon niya, rekam kanta na ngayon, pag nakunan ko roya yung susa. Kaya naman isla kay kasmurang dagin na. Naspera na po si kape na batakatigiroy. Inadan sa tayay. Meras sila. Arata ba, ang tatama na tayo. Mari, langgan na pinarikira. At po ngayon na ni kape na ikay. Sa po sila batakatigiroy. Sila batakatigiroy ni kape na. Ngayon naman kami, kaya na repairin si kakamparin niya. Ori ya tahu ini ani. Ayah dia pada punya karuangan congoteng. Jadi apa karuangan sangat dijek congoteng. Ami wari amat ay kami. Sa koki ano ko imi na konsirio inanon takauwa inanon piperuan. Ay wari ka kingan bantay mo ko roy ka kira ng congoteng. Ari po lisena. Kayo ko na ano ko ay ka ako. Yar po iya kananagi ko. Sakay ni meron ka puro narabusi ni bebeire sa kasta Quran na si tuon yang anda yang ngasih segunan ni pili na be yang naik ay kay ni rara be nun tetay tuon na tuon sa ginano na takan kaswa sa ginano na takan karikya kay menano na takan kau kasi na kau ngaira pantay ya sinabi diya paano ko na ano ko may kau ngaira na Paris yang Teaoraereke pulsi ngaira ngaira kan sto ko postan kau nga Teaoraereke sinakaw nga ana sto ko pos nyagi kau nga mena pun lagi ko na ano Teaoraereke ay resiki yan. Kamla tigiroy. Kampa sila pa ni kape. Di gara kasi sa wartan bebay. Ay po ni kami. Kay kamro ko tigira kukuray na iron na iyo. Abnogin ka kina pa ako numaya kami may kukuray. Stima to na pusiya. Araw pa naroroning kami. Namiusu ay ka ako. Temsiya to gigay. Ay daw pa auray tiya kayo nga yakan napapangirikin ako na rin. Itiya kita tayo na tang. Kina mo puno panara yang kan kukuray noring kami maniwing kami na nakakarapara pa tawad din nan ano yung ibubuto ka kanina kabeberin kami sige berin ka to tay kapon si tay da betay ikis tagiri da pasinakona bunga di tay tuwan na tuwan inatigiray karon na tay gay punya karon ang kay basta mga rayra gid kangay na kon naratapon kakaukyang naratapon kakarikiyang Wala ta po na berika tayra. Sa mga po nag-aangay yung ina na rayuay kay. Magkana kamtong ko pa yun na nami. Nagantay tayo. Tira po rin. Ano po namita po na pare. Ayari. Kukuray ka tayo ligay. At taas pa kam na kunting nga mo. Wala po tayo siya ito yun.
Yang aling kami nung matamyo, Yesus dari bukai terhenti, Yesus dari itu, mengenai tekeraoi, siro kan kata ni rai rau, ada saya suara, mengenai tekeraoi. Sedangkan lagi tu kita ni baik apa anak, kue perjalanan. Hasil pani Yesus yang mantap. Santa Maria Sinan Jesua, Santa Yotepa, Alira Katan Kawa Tinira.
Kiminai Romi te wea, ke karaure gamite asua e moante maka, are te tama, au te nasi, au te tamne aroi roi. Nako ina non te roi.